Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Upstart Holdings. The report was first published on our website April 13, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about Upstart Holdings for the upcoming trading day on Thursday 14th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Upstart Holdings performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Upstart Holdings stock currently holds a -3.912 score, and our system has ranked Upstart Holdings sell candidate since March 30, 2022. In this period the stock has had a loss of -22.84%. This is an average return of -2.08% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Upstart Holdings, our last headline reads, Upstart Holdings Inc. stock price up 4.85% on Wednesday. The Upstart Holdings Inc. stock price gained 4.85% on the last trading day, Wednesday, April 13, 2022, rising from $83.95 to $88.02. During the day the stock fluctuated 8.16% from a day low at $82.10 to a day high of $88.80. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by -22.84% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by -3 million shares and in total, 8 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $721.32 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $401.49, and the lowest price was $75.15. Right now the price is 78.08%, or $313.47, below 52-week high at $401.49, which also is all-time high for the stock. The Upstart Holdings stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock is at the lower part of a very wide and horizontal trend in the short term, and normally this may pose a good buying opportunity, though a breakdown through the bottom trend line at $83.95 will give a strong sell signal and a trend shift may be expected. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 0.13% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -3.36% and 80.98%. The 12-month trend indicates a -2.37% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -15.16% and 328.62%. This equals a price between $74.67 and $377.27 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Upstart Holdings stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment the analysts give the Upstart Holdings stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Upstart Holdings. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 12, 2022, and so far it has risen 4.85%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Upstart Holdings Inc. stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $92.74 and $114.59. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 126 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 14 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 105 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 98 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Upstart Holdings. Upstart Holdings Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $83.95, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $6.70 between high and low, or 8.16%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 8.72%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Upstart Holdings. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Upstart Holdings currently has a price-earning ratio of 69.99. A high price-to-earnings ratio could mean that a company's stock is overvalued, or else that investors are expecting high growth rates in the future. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Upstart Holdings meets first resistance at $97.48. If you do not hold Upstart Holdings shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Upstart Holdings finds first level of support at $83.95, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $83.75, $82.17, $79.61. Sell at $88.87, $90.45, $93.01. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Upstart Holdings is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Nicole Allison, whom have bought and sold 9,059 shares or options in the company. Please go to our webpage at StockInvest.us to find more details about the trades. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -73.748. In total, the insiders bought 47,000 and sold 324,595 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Upstart Holdings stock a buy? Upstart Holdings Inc. holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 14th, we expect Upstart Holdings to open down -$1.71 and start trading at $86.31. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.